Hello, my name is Jarvis Dasquich. I work at Senior Retract and I'm an intern from Canada. The new metro just opened in January 2025 and I'm really excited to take you along with me on some adventures around the city. So, without further ado, let's go to the Opera Station and see how to use the metro. Also, time to put on my mask. The Opera House station from Senior Retract is only 2 or 3 minutes away. So if you're ready, let's go. Before taking the metro, I bought a quick drink from the vending machine here. These metros can get hot, and especially in Ho Chi Minh City, it's important to stay hydrated. Here are the ticket vending machines. This is where normally you can buy a ticket, and above you can see the map of all the stations that will be in Ho Chi Minh City. We're going to be on line 1 today. Follow me to the ticket counter and I will buy a ticket. Can I please have one departure ticket to An Phu?
Okay. 7 house up.
The ticket for a departure is 7,000 dong. Thank you. He gave me my receipt, also my ticket, and extra cash. If you're buying your ticket with cash, here's a great chart to show you the different prices. You can buy by day for a 1-day or 3-day rate, or you can buy per month. You can get for general passengers or students. If you would like to purchase a ticket without using cash, you save 1,000 dong, and you can use services like Visa, MasterCard, and digital wallets such as Momo. All you have to do is tap or scan.
This is a platform. It's where the metro stops to pick up passengers.
Every line of the metro goes both directions, so we have to be careful that we're getting on the right platform. I'm going to Basan Station, which is on platform 2, which is the left. When you're taking the metro, it's very important to follow the rules. Some of the rules include no eating. We want everything to stay clean. No graffiti. Don't vandalize. No combustible materials. And no smoking. Remember to stay safe when you're using the metro system. It's really important to follow the etiquette of the system. Here we have arrows to indicate where to stand when you exit and enter the train. It's 4:15 and the train will come at 4:18. Punctuality is very important for the train service. Now that the train's arriving, I should stop talking and let's take this train somewhere much, much cooler.
Stay ready for boarding and mind the gap between train and platform.
Follow me in the train and we'll see where we can go. Now that I'm on the train, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for coming with me.
you enjoyed the vocabulary learned in this video, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook so you'll never miss an episode on this series.